you're watching this video, chances are you've engaged with a consistent character before. Mickey Mouse, SpongeBob, the Smurfs, and even Peppa Pig. All of these are what I call a consistent character, and the companies behind them make billions of dollars. But here's what's crazy, the next Mickey Mouse won't be created by Disney. It'll be made by some kid in their bedroom using brand new AI tools, and it's already happening. What Disney spent billions and decades developing, you can now do in minutes. The playing field has been completely leveled. I found 4 types of AI characters that regular people are using right now to make millions in the next 12 months. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to break down the 4 character types that exist, show you real examples of people making money with them, and give you the exact roadmap to do this yourself. But more importantly, I'll show you why we're at the beginning of a character revolution, and why the next 12 months will create more character millionaires than the last 50 years combined. This 19-year-old created something that Disney spent billions developing. I call this the animated character, which could be a personality or an imaginary figure. Think Mickey Mouse, Shrek, Dora, and many more. You've probably watched one, if not all of these, as a kid. Though these just look like adorable figures, they generate billions of dollars per year for the companies behind them. And here's why this is so good. Unlike real people, characters don't die, don't retire at 70, and never get into controversies. They're money-making machines that can generate income for decades through digital and physical products. Regular people like you and I have now started doing this. There's an Instagram account called Enjoy AI, who created a fat cat animated character and started to create videos with it, quickly rising to over 900,000 Instagram followers and getting tens of millions of views. They're getting paid by AI video companies to keep posting their usual animations. All they need to do is add a logo and a mention in the caption of the video. But here's the thing that separates the winners from everyone else. And it's not what you think. The biggest reason most AI character creators fail isn't lack of creativity or marketing skills. It's something much simpler. Their character looks different in every single video. One day the cat is slightly fatter, the next day it has a different color, and suddenly your audience stops believing in your character. That's exactly why, after making dozens of consistent characters myself, I'm putting together the Consistent Character Workshop, where I'll show you the exact technical methods to keep your AI character looking identical, whether they're at the beach, in a boardroom, or wearing a Halloween costume. This is the secret sauce that lets you scale your character without losing your audience's trust. Because here's the truth, you can have the best character concept in the world, but if it's not consistent, you'll never make money with this. The workshop waitlist is filling up fast, and the early bird discount only applies to the first 200 people. I'll leave the link in the description below for you to apply, which is what this guy named Tom did, and grew his own animated bunny character to an audience of over 2 million subscribers, and brought in over 500 million views with just 33 videos, monetizing through the YouTube Shorts Fund. What makes this incredible is that Tom can build this into intellectual property, not just a following. While other creators are tied to showing their face on camera, Tom created an asset that generates income through multiple ways, just like Disney does. But what if you don't want to create a character from scratch? What if there was a way to turn yourself into a consistent character that could work 24/7 while you sleep? The second type of character is what I call the avatar. This is an animated version of an actual person and is video based. There's Zinni Studio, Kyra Properties, Kuida Lashwan, and many more that are currently monetizing this. Kyra is an avatar that just got launched by a real estate company based in the UAE. They're using this avatar to make short form content across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And in case you are wondering what type of real estate company this is, well, they will sell $3 billion worth of real estate this year alone. This avatar is now contributing to this figure. Here's why this is genius. Unlike real salespeople who can only work 8 hours a day, this avatar can create content around the clock, reach global audiences, and never needs a vacation or sick day. But don't be scared by these amounts. Kuida Lashwan started her own YouTube channel 6 months ago with herself present on screen. Just a few uploads later, she switched to using an avatar of herself, and her channel blew up. With over 300,000 views per month and a paid school community with over 2,900 members, it's safe to say she's getting rich off her AI avatar. The Zinni Studio did the exact same thing, and she now has over 100,000 subscribers and over 5 million views in total. She is monetizing through ad revenue, brand deals with leading companies in the AI space like Kling and Recraft AI, and has her own school community with over 300 members paying $60 per month. That's life-changing money from one AI avatar. And unlike with real influencers, where brands worry about getting into scandals, her avatar is completely controversy-proof, making her more attractive to sponsors. Though that money is nothing compared to what people are making using the third type of character, which is what I call the AI influencer. The influencer industry is projected to reach $32 billion in 2025, and AI-generated influencers like Aitana Lopez, with over 300,000 followers, are now a part of that. But Aitana is created and owned by a Spanish media company. There's new influencer accounts like Mia and Anna who are created by regular people and are blowing up. Mia's most recent post has 50,000 likes after she went viral because major news publications worldwide published articles about this AI phenomenon. And Anna is already at 260,000 followers. Both influencers are owned by the same person, and they are marketed as sisters, which is a smart move by the owner, because they can be linked together in posts, making both accounts grow faster. At this point, they might as well build it into a full AI influencer family. These AI influencers act like real-life human beings. They share vacation pictures, post stories from their so-called daily life, and even do Q&As. They make money by doing sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling their own products. Honestly, when you have this much attention, there's no limit to how you can monetize it. The Brazilian AI influencer Magalu made $10 million last year from sponsored posts. Let that sink in for a second, $10 million in 12 months, and she doesn't even exist. This is the power of building assets instead of just audiences. You're creating a character that generates income forever. I'm telling you, the world of consistent characters is about to explode. I already made a full tutorial about how to make one of these influencers. I'll leave a link to that video below. There's one more character type, who most people don't even know exist. I call this the clone. With the latest AI technology, people are able to clone themselves and make highly convincing videos with them. Varun is the best example of this, with over 1 million followers and all of his content being made with an AI clone. This means none of his posts are actually recorded by him. He confirmed this himself in a podcast he did, stating they are able to go from idea to posting that video within 20 minutes. Because of his clone, he can scale content like never seen before without actually filming any video himself. And as a content creator myself, let me tell you, that saves a lot of time. What's even better is that the clone makes it possible to make content in any niche, even if you don't know much about it. You can hire a skilled scriptwriter, put the script into your clone voice on 11 Labs, generate the voiceover for your video, and put it in your cloned character on a tool like Hagen, for example. This is like having an employee that works 24/7, never gets tired, and can become an expert in any topic instantly. But he's not the only one doing this. Julian Goldie is currently uploading 7 long-form YouTube videos per day with his clone. He is sending the traffic to his agency, his free and paid school communities, and is monetizing through ad revenue. Julian built a system that generates content and income around the clock. Again, showing that if you capture attention, there's really no limit to what you can do with this. So look, I've shown you exactly how regular people are making millions with AI characters. But here's the brutal truth. 90% of people who try this fail within 30 days because their characters look different in every post. I've spent the last 6 months perfecting the consistency methods that separate the winners from the wannabes. That's why I'm opening the Consistent Character Workshop to just 200 people. Not 500, not 5,000, just 200. Because I want to ensure every single person succeeds in building their character. You'll get my exact consistent character system that locks in consistency for any character in any outfit and scene. The workshop will be released very soon. The early bird price is only $97. That's less than most spend on coffee in a month, while this could replace your entire income. Click the link below right now to join the early bird waitlist. Don't think about it, don't wait until tomorrow. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. Links waiting for you below. I'll see you inside.